Rivers State Governor Simialayi Fubara don yarn say the members of the Rivers State House of Assembly go cease to exist as legislators if im so decide, as im criticise their attitudes towards the administration. A con tok say the lawmakers dey exist based on the recognition predicated on the peace accord initiated by the Presido of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Governor Fubara yarned this one when he addressed the delegation of political and traditional leaders of Bayelsa State for one courtesy visit for Rivers State Government House for Port Harcourt to find ways to end the political crisis for Rivers State and improve relationship between both states. Governor Fubara Konyan said the delegation wey dey led by the former governor of Bayelsa State and senator representing Bayelsa West, Senator Henry Saraki Dinsin, say im dey hold back so that the crisis for the state no go up. A constant talk say,
those group of men who claim that are assembly members are not assembly members. They are not existing. I want it to be on record. I accepted that peace accord to give them a floating. That's the truth. There was nothing in that peace accord that is a constitutional issue. It's a political solution to a problem. And I accepted it because these were people that were eating in my house. These were people that have helped pay their children's school fees when I wasn't even a governor. So what is the thing there? Yeah, we might have a division, but I believe that one day we could also come together. And that was the reason I did it. But I think it's gotten to a time when I need to make a statement on this thing so that they understand that they're not existing. Their existence is me allowing them to exist. If I de-recognize them, they are nowhere. That's the truth. I want you to see the sacrifice I've made in the course of allowing peace to be in our state. I can say here with all amount of boldness, I've never called any policeman anywhere to go and harass anybody. I've never gone anywhere to do anything against anybody. But what happens to people that are supporting me? They are being harassed. They are being detained. There is no week that somebody doesn't come here with one letter of invitation for trump of charges and all those things.
The leader of the delegation, former governor of Bayelsa State and senator representing Bayelsa West, Senator Henry Saraki Dinsin, tok said the courtesy visit now to call for end to the political crisis for Rivers State and look for ways to improve relationship between both states. A constant talk say,
the creation of Bayelsa State out of all Rivers States was not and should not be made to see as if it's a severance of the relationship between our people. It is not a war of Jericho, of division, hatred, and acrimony between our people. But it's a move which, well utilized, will accelerate our development and national stake. Rivers State over the years, since its creation, has not only become an oil and gas capital of our region and entire country, it has also, with its size, population, leadership pool, resources, the age of the state itself, the quality of statesmen and leaders, the public servants available, the business leaders, the eminent professionals, a supportive and vibrant citizen. With all of it, Rivers State has become one of the most respectable and leading states in the community of states in Nigeria.
On top the relationship between the two states, Governor Simialayi Fubara tok say,
there is no complete Rivers State without Bayelsa. There is no complete Bayelsa without Rivers. We must work together to develop our states. We were separated because of political purposes to expand development, but we need to be united so that the economy of these two states will grow. There is no need for us to have any arguments over assets. There's no need for us to have any disagreement over issues of who owns this or who doesn't own that. One way or the other, we're even interrelated. That is the truth. So there's no need for fight.
Make una not forget, say, as we see 'em, na so we dey talk 'em. we no dey take blame. From Port Harcourt, Ekata Ojesole, TMC TV News.